In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Hopper app on Android. By the end, you'll have the app installed and know exactly what it can do to help you save on travel. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official store for Android apps, and using it ensures you're getting the legitimate, up-to-date version. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the word Hopper carefully, then look through the results and select Hopper, Hotels, Flights, and Cars, published by Hopper Inc. Choosing the correct listing matters because it guarantees you're downloading the trusted app that millions use for travel planning and deals. On the app page, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. This can take a few moments depending on your internet speed. If your connection is slow, just let it finish. Interrupting the download can cause it to restart. When the installation completes, tap Open to launch the app right away. Now that Hopper is on your device, here's what it's designed to do. Hopper lets you book flights, hotels, homes, and car rentals in one place. One of its standout features is price prediction. It analyzes billions of prices to suggest whether you should book now or wait, helping you avoid overpaying. If you're not ready to commit, you can use its price freeze option to lock in a fare or rate for a limited time so you don't lose a great deal while you finalize plans. You'll also find a color-coded calendar that highlights the cheapest and most expensive dates to travel at a glance, making it easy to shift your itinerary to save money. Think of Hopper as a smart travel assistant focused on timing. Instead of checking prices every day, you get clear guidance on when to book and when to hold off. That's especially helpful during busy seasons or when prices tend to fluctuate. As you explore the app, you'll notice it keeps the interface simple. Search your route or destination, compare options, and follow the app's recommendations to make confident choices. And that's it. You've downloaded Hopper on Android and learned how it helps you book flights, stays, and cars while staying on top of price drops. If you found this helpful, go ahead and open the app now and start exploring. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning your next trip with smarter timing and better deals.